kind of amazed at the machine dealers sometimes, because they'll take a video of the machine with you moving the axis or indexing a turret or whatever. Well, this is our DMC. I believe it's a DL8T is the actual designation on it, and it's a good machine, holding tolerances, working every day. It's got the IMEC bar feeder on it, of course. So I'll give you a little quick walk around, because we do have pictures, but you know, video's worth 1,000 words or whatever. And we'll set it up here in a bit where we can take and you can watch it make a part. So when you buy it, you'll know when it gets home that you can make a part. And it's got a chip conveyor on it here, and that's basically a complete walk around it. Of course, the back end of the IMEC bar feeder here. So we're going to set it up on a tripod and let's make some parts. So we'll get ready here to take and start a cycle on it. And I'm going to stand by the door so we don't take and get a spray job here. Basically, the bar feeder's integrated and everything. And this is the way the beginning of the cycle looks. Then you get the door closed. What more can I say? Budget machine. If you have, and it holds a good tolerance. I mean, I can hold ODs within a thou easily, and it's still a solid machine. It's a bargain way to get into some inexpensive part manufacturing.